Welcome to the Film and Digital Media Post-Production and Color Correction Suite. A middle gray space with professional color grading equipment designed to achieve the best look for student productions. A professional control surface for precise and accurate image adjustments. With calibrated reference video monitors. Industry standard color correction and color grading software, including Assimilate Scratch and DaVinci Resolve Studio, as well as Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and other products. With image color and luminance measurement. Learn more about color correction and color grading in the Film and Digital Media Cinematography and Post-Production courses.